Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting yourself and minimizing risks. Wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the Lipo from the device and place it on a non-conductive surface. Once done, visually inspect the leads and connector area under bright light or magnifier to find the break or corroded joint. Use a multimeter on continuity to confirm which conductor is open, because measuring tells you whether a repair is salvageable or if the pack should be retired for safety. Now you clean the damaged area so connections can be reliable. Apply isopropyl alcohol and gently brush corrosion away, then dry completely. Once clean, trim frayed strands and strip about 2 to 3 mm of insulation to expose fresh copper. Make sure you use the wire gauge matching the pack, apply flux, and solder with a temperature-controlled iron quickly to avoid heating the cell. You want a shiny, solid joint without lingering heat that could damage the Lipo. Finish by insulating and mechanically protecting the repair. Slide on heat shrink or apply silicone and add a strain relief to prevent flexing at the joint. Once secure, connect the battery to a balanced charger and charge at a low current while monitoring each cell voltage and temperature. This confirms the repair holds under load. If you see voltage drift, excessive heat, or any swelling, stop immediately and follow safe disposal protocols, because a compromised Lipo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.